donya watebiriga igari bunge inchene chairperson first woman omogusi ko ewe chairperson and a broad-based government taibuya tore abangina 4 only out of 34 chairpersons ngoi karansa ne chair ya roads chair ya budget chair ya energy abubon CP kindega ari pinko nyakobori ngoroki ase document inki mwabe kiregusi taibo on the thing yabu ingoko chakobori taibo tindi koru ororo no koraki into amondoto tiagas ya isoira maiso kirege alafu wana yonte bingira negari ase tiagas na ende no onde serikali igotoko teba a bird in hand is what? A bird in hand is what? 10 in the bush. Hiyo ni methali ya Kisii. So, the simple message, because I don't want to talk a lot, is that sisi una the Kisii people, both Kisii County and Nyamira County, we cannot leave government for other people to enjoy while we are outside. As we wait for the future, which we don't even know. Igari Gachagua kare US, agoteba nere front runner. He's not talking about other candidates. Agoteba nere front runner. Ako bangai na iga ati tutoke serikali mukuje tupime kura ya Wakisii kwa ratiri tuone kama mnatosha president ama deputy ama minister ama dharau bosa. Aende huko si ndio? Sisi hatutaki kudanganywa. Na mimi nataka kuambia nyinyi ambao mko hapa, I want you to declare yourselves the ambassadors of William Samoei Ruto. Si ndio? From now on, when you talk to people, utokoroka 10 by 10. 10 of you, when you talk to 10 other people, you make 20 people. The 20, again you talk to another 20 people. Ngora, moko matevie message. And ask them, when they tell you, sisi tunataka kutoa Ruto, lakini ni nini mnatupatia? There's nothing they will tell you. Agenda babu ati. Igo as the team that is here, the integral team. Inuna wanto very important. You will be the messengers of William Samoei Ruto and the broad-based government. Wangapi wanakubali hiyo? Wangapi wanakubali? Mwanchera ni? Lakini umaete inche ne accountant. I like being accountable. Taibo. And I want all of us to be accountable. Because we stand by our word. That is why we are respected. We are hardworking people and we stand by our word. And today we are going to stand by our word. Taibo. Aya, nani ako na kamera ya video? Kiro monto ate nene. Declaration toko kora. We will call it the Nyamira Declaration. Taibo. The Nyamira Declaration. Aya. Inua mkono yako ya right. And then you will repeat these words after me. Sawa. On this day. From this day, I declare that I am an ambassador of William Samoei Ruto. That I am an ambassador of William Samoei Ruto. And that I will support the broad-based government. And that we will make sure it will be a 2-term race. I will make sure it will be a 2-term race. And that it will be Kumi Bila break. So help me God. Omogusino montomo ngai. Motiga omontori koruiga ari okoroku Gachagua. Ngiwete na dezago teba atio in cousins. Dili arenge serikali ya arenge goteba ntogo ati shares. Taibo. Wono iga na liago teba in cousins. Ango montori ochire Nairobi. Mokomakere simitari kobogere simi okoba wate gasi dili gasi ya ereti okoira na gusi okotebi umano minto nkonye. Wono iga tabo ati kende. lakini hawa watebi inundi cousins. Kama kusina hiyo ndeku kweli. Wana iga aba gikoyo babate 8 ministers. Intuto bate oyomo. Lakini wagoto tebi sema one term. Tutoke kwa serikali nao wako. Moyo kwa mangana ayu. Goko digeri registration ya SHA national. County etanga ine. Koruri SHA ya chaka ni Nyeri County. They are the highest registered in SHA. Asega SHA Gwakoru. Lakini wanawaambia, oh, one term, oh, SHA ni mbaya, oh, msisupport serikali, into hawa gusitu hawa hiyo. Tutakubali hiyo maneno? Aya, kitu ingine. Ege ntogoeko ruku estima. Estima Gokorigeri Central Province. Wabwate 85% coverage. Into iga gusi, tobwate 55%. 45 actually. 45%. Na bono iga, ege tobeko koruku Africa Finance Corporation. Imetuma pesa ya last mile connectivity. Onye nto hiyo asemeseri, toko teba, where is the allocation for Kisii? Who will defend Kisii? Ingo go defend omondo koroko mogusi asemeseri. Ondeta hiyo taibo. Igo toru ororo go seto tige. Tome ororo. Sana. Lakini mwambie kile okotera ko abantu banyu miri nje bado ga. Abaheshimiwa Barega, led by our chief whip, opinion leaders Morega in Mwenzi. God is good and all the time. Wow. Nchekoroku Irene Nyakerario Mayaka. Koru West Mogirango Bogichora Ward. Aba Gichora no Morega. No more. Aya. Lakini muna nata within the people P kabisa. Taibo. But I want today tokore agreement. Inumondi yerio monto inchemba koreregas. Taibo. Tabo igo. Ya tita edio monto bono iga. Bono iga tita etego koregasi. Igari Nairobi. Ndete amagendera ro iga gusi. Taibo. Tumekubaliana. Kose tige gasi eyu. Tige gasi eyu. Boge tutu.